Okay, we're live. There we go. Excellent. It says excellent. Wait for the picture to come on. And we good. Okay. Market is open. Let me set some things back up that just is off the screen. I did take some trades in the overnight market. I was up 300, took some other trades, and now I'm down, but let me see. Market made a move higher. Next 15-minute bar opens up in 4 minutes, so first 15-minute bar hasn't closed yet. Let's see where my chart is. There it is. We're down 30 points so far. We came down overnight to 67. Had a nice little break and run down. The question is, do we close the gap on 30 points? Do we close the 30-point gap? We got a red weekly, a red daily, and a green 4-hour bar. Red weekly, red daily, green 4-hour bar. We've been trading in between this range here. We seen a 15, we did below, but between like 05 and 15, kind of a 10-point range. We may just come back and stay in this range for a minute. We dipped out of it on the low end, dipped out of it on the upper end, and just dipped out the range, below the range. So around this 10 level, point of control, around 75.10, been over and under it. See which way it wants to pull, if it pulls away and continue. We're on the uptrend, over and under 10. Maybe we get back up to 30 and 30s and retrace this drop. Maybe we get back up and retrace this drop. Maybe. Let's see. Up to 33. That would be this S1 if we go that way. Seems like it may be a choppy day. No, 15-minute bar opens up. This is the 200, should be 200. I mean 50. That's the 50 because it's not dotted. 200 would be dotted. Same color but just dotted. Okay, there go the 15-minute bar. 15-minute is 23. We get a push over 20. That's this pivot point here. We got the high volume node here at 23. It could go, but I wouldn't take this, try to get this breakout above 50 on this bar anyway. I would like to see a consolidation of it, if anything, and then break out. But anything can happen. Anything can happen. $33 would be the next target, this S1 here. The high on this previous bar is 23.25. I'm not looking to take this breakout to 33. Stochastic is pointing up. We haven't did we make a new high? We did make a new high. There we go. So now stochastic is an oversold. I mean overbought. Let's see if we get some momentum. I'm not taking a long here over 50. I want to see. I would if it gets over 23 and holds on a smaller time frame. If it gets over this 50 moving average and holds above it, and then kind of look, then another bar, 15-minute bar can get that push. But looks good here, but it, we got the 50 moving average. Maybe we didn't have a 50 moving average here. I'll be like, let's go. But let's see what happens. We could possibly get this retracement. We got 24 value value area high right here. See what happens. Well, you can pull back. Keep coming back to 15, around this 15 area. We bounced off this right here. We bounced. This was 1675. We bounced. Okay. We're coming back down to the 10 area. Coming back down to this, back down into this area, this 10 area. It's going to be a lot of whipping today. We got a barcode here, red, green, red, green. Got a barcode here. If we can stay above, it's like 14, 15. But as of now, we're not staying above it, just below it. We're back down to 10. That 10 area. Point of control, VWAP and the 50 is all, see, slope down off, same area connected. Point of control is 10, VWAP. It's going to be a choppy session. It's going to be a very choppy session. If there's scalpers out there, this would be good for scalping. Taking a couple points, getting out. Look, we got to push up, come down, and trace back. And we keep coming back down into the 75.10. We stand above 7,500. Came and tested a little bit, but we stand above 7,500. Price action looks like it wants to hold up. Look like it wants to hold up for the time being. Stand above point of control, VWAP in the 50 for the time being. For the time being. Look like stochastic is rolling over, but let's see who in control. Nobody's in control right now. It's choppy. Nobody's in control right now. We got a red weekly, red daily, and a green 4 hour. Who's going to take control? I wouldn't mind a shoulders ahead and a little shoulders retracement up into the 15, 16 area and roll over. High is 23.25 and say the break of 10, I guess 10, 13 points. So that would put us at about 97. 97, 74.97 short. But that's something if it starts to play out, but that's just a thought. 7,500 has been protected here. Buyer stepped in front of 7,500. Tried to go short a couple of times here when I saw this wearing out, slowing down, and then it went up and it pulled over or pulled back, but just no follow through. Just no follow through. Couldn't even get 4 points from it. Couldn't get 4 points. This bar looks good. This looks good at 15. Don't know if I should take it for a long. Up to 30. Try to get 30. Up to this 33. It's just choppy. It's just choppy. Look like it it's choppy and the market is down. Weekly is down. Flower bar look like it may push, but we got the 4-hour bar fighting against the weekly and the daily. $15 to $33. Maybe not on the first try. We got another 15-minute bar opening up in about a minute, 40 seconds. Red to green. We have an ascending wedge come up. We test up here. Break out of 24. Next 15-minute bar. Let's see where it wants to position itself. It may open up for a 1-2 punch. I don't know. We get a 1-2 punch. That would be something. If it up 1-2 punch, if it opens higher, and the next 15-minute bar opens in and just moves, and just keeps going. About 20 seconds. It would be something. We get past that 23, 24. That's the 50 moving average. The 23. Well, it probably could. Oh no, didn't do the 1-2. Now we can really get in between. I mean, we could really start just consolidating here. If this bar is just in the inside bar, Look at this. Yeah, can't trade this right now. No direction. We can, if we're gonna go higher, we can I'll just put the bar this we can see on this ascending wedge. It may just consolidate around here above that 15, and then go higher. But now we gotta close at 1875 and that open 1875. So now we gotta watch these levels high. 19. 12 bar just opened up at 2 o'clock. Looks like it wants to possibly go. But I'm still watching the 50 moving average. I'm still watching the 50.
You put it down. I just told you where we're going. Go this way.
Now the 4-hour bar is red. Okay, come on. Weekly, daily 4-hour bar is red. Is red. The lower the 4-hour bar was only 12. Not only 12, but was 12. Wait, is this a bar? Oh, that is a bar. This 4-hour bar was 12. The low was 12. If it breaks, I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts. Let's pull up my 4-hour bar. If it breaks, I'm looking for shorts. I want to go short here, but I want to see it. I want to see it. Just not this 10 been holding, and we could 10 been holding, and this 15 has not been it hasn't been too, we haven't been breaking these lows, been making higher highs, little dip squeeze, and it's possible to hold up and get above this high of 20 and test. Well, we did 30. Look at this. Test 30. Test 33. That would be 30, 33. So I'm squatting on this 4-hour. Which way this 4-hour bar wants to go? Y'all probably hear my nephew crying. He don't want to go eat. He don't want to go eat. Need to go eat. 1575 was the close. Opened at 1575. Look at this. This we got whips on both ends. Look at that. Okay. It's a pop, but is it a pop for a squeeze, or is it because sometimes it'll pop and then go the opposite direction. It'll pop to get some weak positions out, but let's see. Low is 11. So follow through though. Everything got wicks on them. Everything got rejection. You get all this rejection up here. So even if it does go, it's the entry gotta be good and gotta be good, because no follow throughs. No follow through. Gotta use wider stops or lower smaller contracts, going lower smaller position. Where's my non-train? My non-train is right here. My non-train is right here. See, no follow through. No follow through. No follow through. Had a little pop, pull back. And I'm not gonna take anticipate a break at a high of 24. If I got in now, I would be anticipating a break at a high of 24. My stop would have to be at 11, which that's about a 7-point stop, 6-7 point stop. That I don't want to take right now. Not on this trade. Well, I don't really take 6-7 point stops on any trade. Okay. Trying to get over the 50. Trying to get over the 50. Right, area high. 24. And so here we are, chopping around in this area, in this minor ascending wedge. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. 3 p.m. consumer credit. 2 p.m. we got FOMC meeting at 2. Okay, here go the 4-hour bar. Let's look at that 4-hour bar. We're still in this uptrend here. Point of control is still at 975.10. Now it just moved up. Point of control just moved up to 1175. Point of control also moved up over VWAP. Does that mean we're bullish? Not necessarily. It means that prices are being accepted higher. If we lose VWAP, it's chopping. I think that's what I don't like when it does that. This low is 950. And this is where I've been taking shorts and getting chopped out. The 4-hour bar may save me. What's this high? This high is 11. If I can get 10, if I can get 10, then I can risk one. Nah, risk 1 point. But do I want to get 10 on the pullback? Do I want to grab 10 on the pullback? I think we may go. This may be it, and I'm not in it. I'm looking at that 4-hour bar, weekly bar, daily bar. Everything is short. Everything is red. All of the bars are red. Put it that way. Do I take the 10 if I can get 10 on the pullback? Do I get in on 10 on the pullback? I did, and is it going to work? Don't look like it. They're stepping in. 10 is probably going to hold. Yeah. It's not a short. Well, I'm not saying it's not a short, but it's the whip. It's the whip. It's the whip.
Order submitted.
Try to get it, take it again. It's the whip. It's the whip.
Order filled.
It's the whip. It's the whip. It's the whip that they get me on. It's the whip that they get me on. Can we get down to 95? It's the whip that they get me on. I think they want to test. They want to get this 33. I don't know if we got to get lower to get to 33. What we down here at? 01. I'll take the 95 if we can get it. I'm not. This is where I'm at. This is what my trade looks like right now. Come on, take that 05. We can get the 05. The 05 at wow. 05 is I don't like it.
Target filled.
Okay, I got it. Now I can move my stop down. Well, it's only one, but I'm gonna hold on to it and see if we can get down to 90. Well, we gotta break 95. We gotta break 9. We gotta break 7,500. So this can get down to the 80s. What do we have over here? 74.91 possibly, but let's see. Just stand there. See if I can get that 74.99, 10 points, so 4 points and 10 points. What time is it? I mean, 2 minutes, okay. This 3-minute bar may. I'm gonna just leave it and see if we break 7,500. Maybe I should have moved it up, but I should have moved it up. That's what I'm thinking. That 7,500 could bounce hard. Even though I'm trying to get 10 points, I know that 7,500 can bounce hard. Like here. Right here, 0.1, and then it just bounced. But green, red is down, but it can bounce. I know it can. The weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour is red. That's what I want to see. We ran up double top. Let's break this low. This is just the stochastic is pointing down. Delta, let's see what Delta is doing. Delta. That one, it may pop. It may pop or it may break this time. Who knows? What's the high on here? 0.825. Now, do I just take it or do I let it work out? Just stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade and let it work. That's all you can do. Even though 7,500 is that big psychological. But I think I may have something in my favor because we got the weekly red, the daily red. But we bounced hard off of this low of 175. We did. We have bounced off this. Oh shoot, I didn't go to break even. I'm wilding. I didn't go to break even. Yo, I'm sitting in it like my stop still way up there. This low went up 175. I could have took it out down here. I was just trying to let it play out. But I knew that 7,500 was a bully. They was gonna start buying down here. Look at that. Pop and then just a retracement. What it went up to? 11.25. Popped up 11.25. Run back down. Do the next 15-minute bar breakdown or now it's going to break. Couldn't break on this bar, had to pop up. We might do a little double bottom here and try to head back up and keep following this trend line. That's possible also. But I'm good. I'm good. I'm not going to trade anymore today. I'm up 600. I'm going to take that and be happy. I got some things I got to do anyway, so I'm out early today. It's 10:20. I'm not even going to trade this anymore. I like this for a short, but it's going to be difficult. It's going to be choppy. Very choppy because I know I'm going to take a couple of losses, some wins, some losses. Like I said, this could be a double bottom and a buy over 10 up to 33. Try to get above. We back in this area. What is 4 in this 10 area right here? From earlier, we back in here. 15, like 10-point range. This is a 10-point range. We broke out of it, stuck his head up, try to make a second move, nothing. Come back, we got the 50 moving average. Green, 4-hour bar trying to get red to green. That close is 1575. Look like it's trying to get red to green. Seems like 17, like 20 to 16. It's good shorts. Rejection, sell off. Rejection, sell off. Could definitely get 4 points. 4 points to 10 points. And now we up over between 20 and 10. So I got 150,000 Lucid account that I'm trying to pass. It's not an easy task. This 20 has been taken. This 20 has been a good rejection area for shorts. It's a good scalpers market. I'm gonna scout the range. Scalp the range. The 22. It's a nice range though too from the top. Nice range from the bottom down here. All right. Let's see where it's going. So there's no follow through. And the 20, 23 is the area where sellers are stepping in and pushing the price back down. And it would be my luck just this time that I say, I'm going to sell it right here. And this is when we done came out and took some weak positions out and then start to move higher and pop as soon as you get in. But for our bar just ranging in here, this is what's happening in this forward bar. Close 1575. Open 1570. Open 1575. So we over and under VWAP. We over and under all this pit point of control, VWAP, and a 50. Look at this. This is my is it what I was looking for? I'm not. I'm gonna leave this alone. Come back tomorrow. We don't have a direction. Could do some scalp trades, but I really don't want to try to. I want to keep being on the wrong side and just get chopped out over and under VWAP here. VWAP, point of control, and a 50 moving average. So we're just in this range. And so I'm gonna let it go for now and come back tomorrow. Keep my 600. I'm up 500 some change. And let's try to get past. Let's try to pass this eval.